Disease prevention is the key to public health. It is always better to prevent a disease than to treat it. Vaccines can protect both the people who receive them and those with whom they come in contact. Vaccines are responsible for the control of many infectious diseases that were once in common with this country and around the world, including polio, measles, diphtheria, pertussis, which is whooping cough, and rubella, mumps, tetanus, and Haemophilus influenza type B, or Hib. Vaccine eradicated smallpox, which was one of the most devastating diseases in history. Over the years, vaccines have prevented countless cases of infectious diseases and have saved literally millions of lives. Vaccine-preventable diseases have a costly impact, resulting in doctor's visits, hospitalizations, and premature deaths. Sick children can also cause parents to lose time from work. Parents are naturally concerned about the health and safety of their children. The popularity of preventative measures from child-proof door latches to auto safety seats are evidence of their concern. Illness and death caused by infectious diseases, while not as widespread as half a century ago, are still a danger. Vaccines protect children from preparing their bodies to fight many potentially deadly diseases.